Welcome back. They can't run anymore. And they're gonna take a hill. Sharp armor. Honestly, let's just do that at this point. They're gonna try and lead me into another team, but they're so low now, it shouldn't even make a difference. They're just gonna keep running from me, and it's gonna annoy me. Which at this point, I don't mind too much. I don't mind too much about being annoyed that much. Like, I understand why they're running, because I'm full diamond, and they've not got any more healing. I understand that part. What I don't understand is whether I'm gonna get targeted really hard here. Shotgun. Ow. That's all. They're gonna take my kills. I can win this. The only issue I'm gonna have is a lack of teammates. That's it. Like, I've got healing, I've got diamond armor. No teammates is gonna be what my downfall is. Come here, cunts. Honestly, come here. I got two. Yeah, I got it. I'll be there in a second. I just gotta finish this off. I don't want to stay there, Bruce. I got two. Okay. Oh. Got two power threes. Oh. They made me eat 3 gaps, so... Or 4 gaps, or 5 gaps. I'm not actually sure how many they made me eat. All I know is I had to eat gaps. Where is everyone else now? That's my question. I don't want to fight something. If I have to, I will, but I don't want to. yet. Not yet, at least. I got the amount of kills I wanted. I got 2. They weren't exactly skilled kills, but I mean, I didn't do horribly in that fight. Like, real talk, it wasn't a bad fight. Orange team have won this at this point in time because they're the only team that still has healing. Like, it's just me and them that have healing, and that's it. Myself and them. I need to find Autocon. Autocon, where are for thou Autocon? I don't want to go back up on the hill there. That's a scary place. Josh was shot by Rising. Ah. Oh no. Is he gonna heal? They don't have healing. Oh, fuck, he does. I don't know if he has more or not, though. That's where the fight is. That's top. He's shooting. He's shooting at the team. I can backstab them off the hill. Yes! TSM's dead! Who's that over there? Sun's over there. Sun died at the top. Yeah, I'm just in the middle of a fight right now. Yeah, Paul, I know. I know it's there. Just in the middle of... Top's shooting me. Top, why are you shooting me? You burnt. It's Top Dig and I, and Autocon. Wait, no. Autocon died to Dig. Top, myself, and Dig. I can win this. Dig's on 83, actually. I might not be able to. It sucks TSM won't count as my kill, but oh well. Why does everyone have fire aspect? Yeah, I'll be there in a second. I'm in the middle of a thing. Maybe if you guys hadn't drunk so much. That was a power 4. that I just threw on fire. That baby. Because it's MU. I just got shot at. Up there. It's Dig! He hasn't got arrows. Good shot. I'm in the middle of a fight. Can you wait, please? Maybe if you guys weren't drinking. I can't do this against Dig. I literally just can't. Dig's gonna fuck me. Okay, Dig is actually going to destroy me right now. I can't do anything against him. He's too good at the game. I shot him. Pardon? Yeah, I will drive in a second. I've just gotta finish this tournament off. Pardon? I can't. Sorry, I'm concentrating a bit. ETA. Possible 10 minutes. It shouldn't be too long. Can't let Dig kill. Yourself first debate. Don't think Dig has healing. What is this man? This man is insane. Oh, I'm shaking so much. I can't do anything. Where's Top? I can't find him while he's up on there. I can... Yes! I know! Mom, I'm just trying to finish off the tournament, okay? I'm trying to finish off something that I told you about 3 hours ago. Yes, you were. I came out and told you. Shot him. Oh, wait. Did he heal? Oh, he did heal. Oh. Can you... Give me a second! He gets to deal with the fire. No. I'm dead. I'm dead. Dig's a... Oh, he still has healing. He's on 39. 30. 22. I'm a one hit as well. No! Oh! Fucking hell. Ah. Alrighty, guys. Thank you for watching. Top! GG, guys. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. Thank you for hosting, Fancy. And I'll see you guys all on the flip side. Take care. Bye.